Do you ever have trading days as a day trader when you get so distracted, family distracts you, your work distracts you, and you look back at the charts and you think, wow, I have missed so many great trades today. And today was that day for me, guys. And today was all about, here at Trading College, our team get together on a Wednesday. I was looking to go to the gym as well today at a certain time, which I went to, and then I missed a fantastic trade in the German DAX. But looking at the account here, I was still up £600 on the day, okay? So I still added to the account. And that's what I was taught many years ago. Just keep on adding to the account. Some days you're going to make small profits. The next day, tomorrow, you could make a really big trading day and you can make $5,000, $10,000 tomorrow. But when days come around like this, when you're getting distracted all the time, and I'm sure you've been like that before when you've missed big trades, you just need to either drop your position size when you do trade and then just take profits quickly. All right, so today was a take profits quickly day, really, for me. Distractions everywhere. Just add to the account. £600 banked. I'm walking away from today with profit. That's the main thing, okay? So German DAX was fine. I mean, looking back at the chart, and I'll look in a second, I missed so many opportunities in the DAX today. The NASDAQ short, delighted with that. I'll show you the setup in 1 second with the color method. And oil, I've actually got a trade on oil still running as well. So I'm hoping to run that over the next several days. So looking for long side trades on crude oil. Yeah, so a couple of losing sort of trades here, parts of it, but over £600. This one was from yesterday. Euro New Zealand was part of a trade that I did yesterday. Just wanted to show you the date being the 24th of September, and this is where it cut off here. So these are the trades that started from today, guys. Even though I was extremely distracted today, let's go and have a little look what the NASDAQ was all about. And it's still going as well, this trade. So color method, okay? Now, the arrows here are part of the color method, part of our strategies. There's about 4 trading elements to the color method that you need to learn. And this red arrow is the trend predictor, which you get. And the trend predictor tells us that the next candlestick, when it's a red arrow, is likely to be a down candlestick. So when you got this red arrow today, the rest of the session was likely to be down. Okay, so this is what this trade was all about here. Shorting the NASDAQ at 24,634. Xing the trade at 24,570. And you know what, guys? It's still running. If I was actually focused on Xing that trade at the right place, I'd still actually be in that trade because it's now just meeting our profit target on that, all right? Which is another 20 points where I actually got out the trade. So it's trading, I could have got another 20 points out of that. So I'm going to move on. It doesn't matter. It does not matter. Today could have been a really big day because there was some huge moves. But that was the trend predictor on the NASDAQ to the short side. This is the long side trades here that I completely missed on the German DAX today, guys. I actually did a short at this double top up here on the 1 minute chart. But today, 1 hour time frame, the German DAX was green with the tracks, green pro trend system, green momentum trigger. And this would have been a fantastic trading session all the way up here. This move is around 100 points on this buy signal here. Okay, so really nice momentum shift to the upside. Nice trade, hitting profit target after profit target. No particular trade to the long side on the DAX. I was just doing some scalps to the short side. -10 here, -£10 per point in the spread betting account. 142, 100 here. Oh yeah, there's a couple around this area shorts today, but nothing was nothing managed to get into profit on that one. Anyway, so all I'm saying, the message for this video really is just add to the account. Even if it's a small, 70% of trades in the FX market in particular are small trades. And I see a lot of the time when people don't manage the trades, they're always going for 70 points, 80 points, 100 points. And when the trade goes in their direction, 20 points, say in profit, they don't move their stop up to reduce risk. They're always going for big moves. They're always going for big profits. Okay, and we do that in trading US shares because a lot of those US shares move 200 points, 300 points, $4, $5. But particularly in the Forex market, in the indices and the DAX here, not every move is a great big move, you know. So these short side trades in the DAX here, I mean, they're only like 30, 40 points, okay? So if you're always trying to go for a big move, then you are running the risk of not managing your position as actively as you should be. Get that stop to break even as soon as you can. Obviously, don't choke the trade, but get it to break even as soon as you can, which then you reduce risk and then manage the trade correctly. What you don't want to see is the trade goes up 30, 40 points and your stop is still at minus 10. You know, once it goes up, you want to reduce that risk, get that stop to break even so you can't lose on the trade. And as soon as you do that, then all of the stress goes out the window because you can't lose on the trade. So a couple of messages for this video, guys. Number one, when you're distracted, reduce position size and just go for small profits, grab some profits, get profitable for the session, and really manage the trade, okay? Manage the trade and get good at that as well. All right, guys, hope it helps. Don't forget, if you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to the channel for more updates. Otherwise,